friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside video for the week of February the 16th to the 22nd. And there's some really great deals. Some of us got 2 boosters that are in fact stacking. And what a curbside pickup means is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store, picking up your merchandise, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. The estimated Walgreens cash on a tablet or the cell phone app, it's still not showing, but on a desktop computer it is. So just for the estimates, let's be mindful of that. Now, if your roads look anything similar to mine, maybe this is the day that you put the order in and pick it up later in the week. You have, I think, up to 2 days to pick it up. It has been absolutely punishing, I think, pretty much the whole Midwest, and it's been really rough roads. So I know a lot of you yesterday shared where you were living and the temperature and how things are. If you want to do it again in today's video, I love reading about where you guys are from, all parts of the U.S., I would love to hear it. And thumbs up to being a smart driver out there. If the roads are like this, it is okay to pass things up. And just to tell you guys a little secret, but don't tell anyone, I actually got my husband to drive me to the store yesterday morning because I'm like, I am so done with winter and driving in roads like this. And he happily drove me, which was really great. But I've hit my limit here of winter driving, and I don't want to drive in this anymore. It's not fun. If you're the kind of shopper that likes to be in store with register rewards and you just want to see what you're picking up, you're just not into this curbside stuff, I recommend you watch yesterday's video where I break down a lot of different deals, small deals, big deals, and the 90% items that I was finding at my local store. And I know a lot of you yesterday found the same because I was reading it all day in the comments. Now, as stated, these are the 2 boosters I had on my husband's card. So basically, if I'm spending $35, I'm getting 17 back. The bottom one is online only, but the top one is in-store or online. So 17 back on a $35 basket with digital coupons. That's what we're going to be exploring first. And then the final basket we're going to be looking at is using only the 7 back when you spend 35, because I know not everybody got the 10 back when you spend 35. Okay, deal number 1. You need your 2 best friends loaded. The 7 back when you spend 35 and the 10 back when you spend 35. How exciting is that bottom one too? So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to throw in one of these really large Tides for $22.99. And we have a $3 digital coupon. I could only get the code WAG10 to be applied to this. I tried other ones and it was the only one attaching. We're also going to grab one of these $15.99 Tide Pods, and we have another $3 digital that's attaching, and I'm going to show you those coupons here in a second. And as you can see on the coupons, they both expire on the 22nd, which is Saturday. So it's definitely a use it or lose it. And I know this is the meat and potatoes stuff that a lot of us really like. So load both of those coupons, and yes, they are in fact applying. And I did use the code WAG10 for an additional $3.30 off. I did try other ones, but that was the only one that was applying for me when I was recording this video. Okay, so the total here is $38.98, subtracting $3.30, that's our code WAG10. We're still at the price point of $35.68, so the 2 boosters will apply for us the $17 back. Now, if I would be like at $34.99 or whatever, it would affect your estimates coming back. And I'm doing this on a desktop computer again, so let's not forget that. Going back to the deal, we have free curbside pickup, tax, and our $6 in digitals melting off, the $3 for the pods and the liquid. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $31.82, and you're getting back $17.35 in Walgreens cash, and it makes it like about $12.60-ish for the 2, or like $6.34 per unit, which is a really great price. As you're using the 2 boosters, pay with your debit card for the balance so you do not have any issues with the Walgreens cash coming back to you. And typically it's 2 to 3 hours after you pick up your order, you're going to get the Walgreens cash deposited in your account. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2, and we're going to be stacking these 2 again. And the last one, we're just looking at a $35 basket with only the 7 back when you spend 35. So if you're like, I'm fed up with these, it would be an extra $10 more if you think it's a worthy deal. But I think getting 17 back is the deal that we're looking for. So 10 back when you spend 35, and then the 7 back when you spend 35. We have both of these loaded, and we're going to be grabbing one of these L'Oreal Midnight Creams. We have a $6 digital, and WAG 10 is applying. I've been seeing this all over social media, and if you live in a really cold climate, apparently it's like magic in a bottle. And this is the digital coupon that we're going to load for this deal. And as you see, guys, this coupon doesn't expire until March the 8th. Just load it either way, even if you don't want to do the deal. To get the basket right to $35, we're also going to throw in one of these toilet papers. So just to show you, the code WAG10 did in fact apply, so an additional $3.30 is coming off. And I tried other little codes here, and this was the only one that would apply. So I do not know why. Maybe I was having problems yesterday. Now, to show you the overall basket, it is $38.98, and we have $3.30 coming off. So the total is $35.68 still. We have tax, a $6 digital coming off. So you're going to pay $31.82, and then you're getting back $17.47 in Walgreens cash. So it makes this lotion very cheap if you've been curious to try it. I certainly have. So perhaps a deal for you. Okay, so the final deal that we have is deal number 3, and we are only using the 7 back when you spend 35, and this can be done. Obviously, we're doing it curbside to use a coupon code, but this one is for either in-store or online, but we're doing it online. And it's always really important to double, triple check how things are written up, because sometimes you can get in a hell of trouble. We're going to grab 2 of these $5 Axe body washes, and we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon. We'll show it to you in a quick second. Please make sure you're grabbing the ones that are priced at $5. We're also going to grab 2 of these Vaseline lotions. They're on a buy one, get one 50% off for $8.98, and there's a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Now, if you head over to your Fetch Rewards account and type in Vaseline, I have this, 1,000 points back when you spend 7. So I should achieve that. When you are checking out, you're going to have to make sure that you get a receipt from the cashier. So ask them to process it through a regular register so you can get this for your Fetch account. These are the digital coupons that you're going to load. The 4 off 2 for the Vaseline, and the 7 off 2 for the Axe. We're also going to grab 2 of these Garnier shampoos for $8. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for this as well. So make sure that you have this guy loaded, Garnier Fructis shampoo. And then we're going to grab 4 of these cheaper Oral-B brushes for $14. And then we're going to load our friend, which is the 6 off of 4. This is an older coupon as well, my friends. So please make sure you have it. For the dental care, we have a buy 2, get $3 back. And then for Garnier Fructis, we also have a 3 back when you buy 2. Just to show you the gorgeous chorus line, $3 for Fructis, $6 for Crest, $4 for Vaseline. We have a 7 off for the Axe. And we're also using the code WAG10 for an additional 80 cents off. I did try the other codes that they have, and again, nothing would apply for me. So go figure that one out. The overall total is $40.98, 80 cents coming off, free curbside pickup and tax, $20 in digital coupons. With your debit card, you are going to pay $22.59. And then you're getting back $13 in Walgreens cash. 7 for the booster, 3 for the dental care, and then 3 for the Garnier Fructis. Photograph your receipt for an extra $1 back from the Fetch Rewards app. So it basically makes your entire cart about $6, which is extreme couponing. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.